being real now though, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna fucking sledgehammer the fucking quarter panels and shit. Whack, whack, whack. Bing, bang, boom. Fucking on the fucking ground. I'm gonna treat this thing like I don't fucking care. Because I really don't fucking care. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As I previously discussed, we are gonna be slamming this thing all the way to the ground, and then we're gonna take it to our local island, Kelleys Island. They have a very beautiful ferry that we're going to launch this up and over. But yeah, we need to slam it. Look like Sean Gatz over here fucking finger fucking my sledgehammer. Let's do this. Does that look lower?
How many runs you want?
About 13.
Should we give them a white wall? Can you believe people don't have nice rims? They're just too lazy to just paint over them. Look at that. Professional. Gonna cost 20 bucks, buddy.
Something's wrong.
What's wrong?
It's all over the fucking road. Found the problem.
What is it?
I think an axle. Passenger front. We were trying too hard.
I gotta take my fender off.
It ain't my fault we don't have a jack. Bro.
Oh my god.
My nut that's supposed to be here does not look very nutty.
Oh my god, bro. It touched the rotor. There's no way you got that fucker up, bro.
The hardest thing we've ever done on the side of the road. Sweating my wiener off out here. I thought being in his car without the AC on was bad. Looks like a castle on this side. Alright, here's where things get interesting. You have any sort of pry bar? Normally I put a fucking jack under it and then I beat the shit out of it. But I don't have that option today. Watch your ball.
Big shaft. You like some, Daddy? There she is. It's in. Whee! You threw my hammer away.
Nobody makes backside of that rim. You ever been hit by a fucking Ryobi? Be the first time you ever thought their tools were built tough. That shit hurt!
Other way!
There you go. Watch your head. You ready, Poppy? What the hell is that string?
This
Yeah.
is the last milk I banged tied her fucking shorts to my goddamn car. So I don't know whose mom forgot them, but she did that shit. I don't want them out here. We're gonna leave them in there. Get hung up on my gas tank. Let's check this shit. The cost of the tire machine.
I'm taking off.
car.
I'm going to Mexico.
Yeah, right.
You hang out with the cartels.
Yeah, they'll love you there.
They'll love you there. I'm in the car.
Off the boat. Get off the boat. We're getting the car.
I'm with the
first.
car.
I really thought when I was coming on, it was like a little arch to it, you know, like the corners are bent down. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna try and hit it a little bit of an angle so it ain't as bad. I just thought I was gonna grab the core support, pull the bitch under, and it was just like, right on. Wasn't even bad at all. Y'all are pussies. I paid this kid $10 an hour to follow me around the course.
What are you doing?
Where do you want to go first? You want to go to Grooves? You want to go eat? What do you want to do?
So let's go cruise a little bit.
You gonna hang out the back window of that thing?
Of this thing? Yeah.
You don't know my name, but I just made it up. Call me Mr. J. Harley Quinn, call me up, so we fucking a day. Better rapping like a joker, but I strong like Wayne. When I rhyme for the vibe, never doing street crimes at 10. Spend time reading books like Einstein. Wait, I don't like all sex. Giving it is hard, but receiving is the best. Don't stress though. Eat the pussy when I'm drinking at the crib though. Brain ill, but I never took a benzo. Selling pills on the bus for a pencil. From a little LD on the headphones. I just wrote that shit. Took a doodle on the page, called the first composition. Cooking in the kitchen, but I don't do dishes. Grab a dan and my mom keeps bitching. Got a nice car, you wouldn't believe. Said I couldn't do it better than an 18. First to the team, middle class dream. Fuck a warehouse, happiness of a money. Rapping kinda funny, I got a pet bunny.
35-foot long grooves were exposed. Much of the grooves were filled with till, a mix of small and large sediment, deposits of turds, and a pile of soil and other materials. Excavators and backhoes, but shovels and air spades and brooms were used to make it more distinguishable. Total exposure now is 396 foot long with a maximum depth of 15 feet and a width of 34. Largest producer of limestone in the world.
You didn't finish high school, bro. I feel so
It
bad.
says it right here. Give you 20 bucks if you climb over the rail right now and go to the other side. 20 bucks right now. Right here. Huh? You jump over, and you climb up and jump over that rail. We'll meet you on the other
If I
side.
trip and fall.
That's not my problem. All right, 40 bucks if you scrape your knee. Let's get the Civic up here and take a picture with this sign. Back it right up in here. Back it right up in here.
of the Subaru, can you please move your vehicle?
Hey guys, JJ here. Andy and Amanda are back on the island getting fucked up. They probably forget to make an outro, so I guess I better be the responsible one here. So anyway guys, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know what you want to see, and I'll catch you later.
Let's go, Daddy.
We might not have a radiator.
One dragon on the left-hand side.
Nothing. We out of gas? Bro. Remember last time we filled it up? Mizzler was there? I put a lot of money in it, didn't I? Or did I put 20 bucks in?
Bro. You stupid motherfucker. The walk of shame. Stupid idiot. No motherfucker. Ran out of gas. The fuck? What the fuck? Number 15. Hey, there's fucking Paul. Goddamn boy! Fucking Paul, bro. Real question is, did we win on this lottery ticket? Hold on. I picked it off the ground to begin with. Going back to the car, there's only spot for one person in Paul's car.
Well, guys, that's it.